Good afternoon, alien enthusiasts. This is the first time I have ever released a video like this because something that has happened that I simply cannot explain, and in my mind, there is no other explanation. I just released a video about the most compelling UFO case I have ever researched. It's part of the latest drop from the government, and yet, in spite of what I thought was a very compelling title, in spite of everything that is so interesting about this case. I mean, seriously, this is one of the most important UFO videos I've ever released, given the amount of detail, the number of credible FBI witnesses, and all of the supporting documentation. But on top of that, the lack of video footage that was released by the government, even though we know for certain that these FBI agents filmed what they were seeing. As I say, this is immensely compelling stuff, and from the very beginning, YouTube didn't show it to anybody. As you can see here, for the first minute and a half or so, according to them, nobody watched it. Nobody at all. And that is simply impossible. And then after such wretched initial viewing figures, the performance of this video turned out to be incredibly substandard. Once again, I don't think there's anything accidental about this, but I have the video linked at the end of this one if you're interested, and believe me, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Again, sorry to do this, but I felt I had to do something to try to get this in front of more people because, frankly, this is far too important a case for things like analytics and focus groups and algorithms to sabotage. Videos linked at the end of this one. I also have it linked in the description, and I have it linked here. Please don't miss it. Thanks, and until next time, stay angry about space.